Have you ever struggled with using Canva to make 3D photo effect? Don't worry, today I am going to show you step by step to create this effect in Canva, which is very trending at the moment. Go to customize size and write these dimensions and now create new design. The new tab will open. Here you need to add Instagram homepage. You can directly screenshot from your own Instagram page or you can download it from Google. So I already downloaded it from Google. So click on upload files and upload the photo. As you see, I already uploaded it. So just zoom the page and crop the sides, and once this process is done, zoom out the page and fill the workspace here. Now go to elements and search for frame here. We need frame in square shape. So let's choose the square shape frame. By the way, Canva really makes our life easier in social media aspect, in educational aspect, in business aspect, and much more, cause they have huge variety of templates, elements, and in Canva, each and everything can be customized. Now our frame is just set. Click on upload files and upload the photo that you want to edit. The photo will be uploaded here. Once it is uploaded, click on the photo and drag a little so it adjusts in the frame. Now double tap on the photo and adjust its position. Increase the size. Now here you need to lock this page. So simply click on the photo and click on lock. So now it will not move. The next step is we need to overlay the same photo here but with removed background. So if you are Canva Pro user, so you can simply remove the background from here. But if you are not, don't worry. I have a solution for you. Search for remove.bg. So this page will open. Simply upload your photo here and the background will be removed. So once it is removed, download your photo, go back to Canva and upload the file here. So now the file is uploaded. Zoom the page so you can exactly place the overlay on the previous photo. Just increase the size and adjust it. Beginners may face problem regarding to element placement, color coordination, exporting format, but it's okay. In the beginning, I was also confused about the placement of elements. But now it's not a big deal. And if you start using Canva now, it will also not a big deal for you too. Now to adjust the photo, just double tap on the photo and crop from the bottom. Because we want only one leg out, so just crop the another one. Just crop a little more. And there you go. This is the final result. Oh, not final. We need to add one more element here, which is shadow. So just go to elements and search for shadow. This will be perfect. Just choose the element and adjust it. Now right click and just click on layer and send backward. You need to send backward 2 times. The shadow is set now. Now we need to enhance the shoe a little more. Just decrease the contrast at -32 and decrease the brightness at 17 or 15. So as you see the difference before editing and after editing. In this quick tutorial, we just simply add the template, add frame, and just add the photo. In this way, you can bring your ideas to life with just a few clicks. The sooner you start, the sooner you will discover your design superpower. Express yourself, stand out from the crowd, and create visuals that make an impact. There is no better time than now to embark on your design journey. Start creating with Canva today and experience the thrill of design like never before. This is it for today's video. If you have any question or confusion, comment down below. I will reply each and every comment. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorials. Bye!